So believe it or not, I'm actually really surprised. I got a lot of messages of people who just were like, yo, Dylan, what exactly about his post is wrong? Like, I mean, maybe I don't know about the Spanish flu. I don't know about World War I. Is what he's saying true? Where is it exactly wrong? Well, the first thing I want to do is, let's make a little T-chart for you guys. We're going to go the Pete versus Gordon Ryan, right? And I made a little T-chart, right? These are the questions that I would go to Gordon Ryan for. Tell me how to do a triangle choke all day. Okay, perfect. Infectious disease and societal level interventions. I'm going to put that over here. No, definitely not. How can I fuck a girl whose diet consists of hot Cheetos and Bang Energy? All day. Gotta put them under there. How to read a basic history book. Obviously not. Again, I just want to know, why the fuck do you listen to these people? Like, they don't say one smart thing. The only thing this kid said was, I'm going to provide a factual argument in the beginning, and then proceeded to not say one factual goddamn thing. Like, this kid is, like, beyond stupid.